Imagine a legal dispute that lasts for more than a century. Can you fathom the complexities involved? Today, we venture into the depths of such a dispute, an unprecedented event in the annals of Indian jurisprudence. The Ayodhya verdict, an embodiment of a legal battle that spanned over 100 years. A verdict that has left an indelible mark on the fabric of Indian legal history. The Ayodhya dispute, a contentious issue that stirred the nation. A subject that has been a cornerstone of numerous political, religious, and social debates. This was not merely a legal case, but a historical conundrum that touched upon the very identity of a nation and its people. The Supreme Court's verdict, a colossal document of 1,045 pages, sought to put an end to this long-standing dispute. But what exactly did it say? What were the intricacies that lay within its pages? So, what did the Supreme Court's 1,045-page verdict say? Let's delve into the details. The Ayodhya verdict is a testament to the Supreme Court's meticulousness and commitment to justice. Now let's delve into the heart of the verdict. The Supreme Court's decision, a mammoth document of 1,045 pages, is a testament to the complexity of the case. It's not just about land, it's about faith, history, and the coexistence of diverse cultures in our society. The crux of the verdict is that the entire disputed 2.77-acre land in Ayodhya would be given to the deity Ram Lalla. The Supreme Court, in a unanimous decision, declared that the site was indeed the birthplace of Lord Ram, as per the faith and belief of Hindus. The court also took into account the archaeological evidence presented by the Archaeological Survey of India, which suggested the presence of a structure resembling a Hindu temple beneath the Babri Masjid. This evidence played a significant role in shaping the final verdict. The court further ruled that the demolition of the Babri Masjid was a violation of the law. To compensate for this, it ordered that 5 acres of land in a prominent location in Ayodhya be given to the Sunni Waqf Board for the construction of a mosque. While the verdict was based on comprehensive scrutiny of evidence and testimonies, it was also influenced by the principles of justice, equity, and good conscience. The court strived to balance the interests and beliefs of all parties involved, reflecting the essence of our secular constitution. In a nutshell, the Ayodhya verdict is not just about the resolution of a property dispute, but it's a reflection of the delicate balance between faith and law, history and the present, and most importantly, the coexistence of diverse cultures in our society. But what does it all mean? What are the implications of this verdict? Legal jargon can be intimidating, but fear not, we're here to break it down for you. Dive into the ocean of pages that is the Ayodhya verdict, and you'll find a few key points that emerge. These are the 3 main takeaways, simplified for your understanding. First, the disputed land, a 2.77-acre plot in Ayodhya that has been a point of contention for decades, has been awarded to the deity Ram Lalla. Now this might raise eyebrows. How can a piece of land be given to a deity, you ask? Well, in Hindu jurisprudence, a deity can be considered a juristic person, capable of holding property and being represented in court by trustees. This is a concept that might seem alien to many, but it's a well-established principle in Indian law. Moving on, the Supreme Court has directed the central government to formulate a scheme within 3 months. This scheme is to detail the construction of a temple on the disputed land. The government, in essence, has been tasked with setting up a trust that will oversee the construction and management of the temple. It's a significant responsibility, and the world will be watching to see how it's handled. Lastly, the court has ordered a separate 5-acre land to be allotted to the Sunni Central Waqf Board. This land, which is to be within Ayodhya, is intended for the construction of a mosque. It's a decision designed to respect the religious sentiments of the Muslim community, who have also been deeply invested in this dispute. And there we have it, the Ayodhya verdict in a nutshell. But what does it mean for India and its people? A verdict isn't just about the present, it's about the future as well. When we peel back the layers of the Ayodhya verdict and look beyond the immediate resolution, we uncover a multitude of implications that ripple out, touching various aspects of society and setting precedents for the future. Let's start with the world of property disputes. The Ayodhya verdict, a culmination of a centuries-long dispute, offers a blueprint for addressing similar conflicts. It underscores the importance of historical and archaeological evidence in settling such disputes, marking a departure from the traditional reliance on documents and testimonies. The precedent set here may well influence future property litigation, encouraging a more comprehensive approach to evidence gathering and analysis. Now let's shift our gaze to religious sentiments. The verdict, while addressing a contentious issue, has sought to respect and balance the religious sentiments of all parties involved. By allotting land to both Hindu and Muslim parties, the Supreme Court has sent a clear message. India's diversity and plurality of faiths are to be protected and respected. This could further reinforce the nation's commitment to safeguarding religious harmony. Finally, we turn to the secular fabric of the nation. The Ayodhya verdict, delivered by the highest judicial body in the land, is a shining example of the secular principles enshrined in the Constitution at work. The bench, composed of judges from diverse religious backgrounds, upheld the principle of secularism, ensuring that justice was served without bias or favor. This reiterates the secular nature of the Indian judiciary and reinforces the faith of the citizens in the system. As we delve into the implications of the Ayodhya verdict, it becomes apparent that it's not just about resolving a property dispute, it's about setting legal precedents, balancing religious sentiments, and upholding the secular fabric of the nation. The Ayodhya verdict, thus, is more than just a resolution of a property dispute. It's a testament to India's commitment to justice and secularism. The Ayodhya verdict isn't just a piece of legal history, it's a part of India's story. This landmark ruling, spanning a staggering 1,045 pages, has left an indelible mark on India's legal landscape and its societal fabric. It has unraveled complexities, unearthed narratives, and triggered discussions that extend far beyond the confines of a courtroom. Let's take a moment to reflect on the key points we've dissected today. The verdict, at its core, was a delicate balancing act, where the Supreme Court had to weigh in on centuries of religious beliefs, historical facts, and legal principles. The court's decision, granting the disputed site for the construction of a Ram temple and providing an alternative plot for a mosque, was an attempt to reconcile the past with the present, faith with law, and unity with diversity. In simplifying this complex verdict, we've seen how the court meticulously examined evidence, navigated through the labyrinth of history, and interpreted the law to arrive at a decision. The court's reliance on archaeological findings, historical records, and legal doctrines is a testament to its commitment to evidence-based adjudication. The implications of this verdict are profound, and they reverberate through India's diverse and complex society. It has set a precedent for how religious disputes are settled in the court of law. It has also underscored the importance of secularism, as the court has strived to ensure a fair and equitable resolution, respecting the religious sentiments of all parties involved. However, the verdict also brings to light the challenges that lie ahead in fostering harmony and unity in a society that is a melting pot of diverse cultures, religions, and beliefs. It underscores the need for dialogue, understanding, and mutual respect as we navigate through the complexities of our shared history and chart a path towards a peaceful and inclusive future. As we close this chapter of India's legal history, we are reminded of the power of justice, the importance of secularism, and the complexities of our diverse society. Until next time, keep exploring, keep questioning,